Take the wheel off. You can use a 22mm socket. Take the lug nuts off. So it's stuck. They're all sticking. Remove the wheel. We're going to take the nut off right here, use an 18mm socket. I'm going to use some locking pliers on the back side to prevent the stud from spinning. That comes right off. Now take this bolt out, use a 13mm socket. And it broke. Hopefully that doesn't break on you. Take that bolt out so that you can move this bracket. Take these two nuts off, use a 21mm socket. Now take these two bolts out. You can use a hammer. Tap them out. Use a punch if you have to. And just slide those out. Now we'll just separate this, just like that. And you can use a bungee cord. Just try to keep this from pulling the axle out. You don't want this to slide out too far, so just attach it right there. That should be fine. Remove this trim clip right here. Just use a trim tool. Slide this weather strip right there off. And then just grab this panel and just pull up. It's just clipped in underneath. This should fold down. Normally it's attached right here. So fold that down. Now we need to remove these three bolts. This one in the back, you might have to push the panel forward a little bit. Just use a 13mm socket. Slide that up, just pull that out. When you go to take the last one off, make sure you grab the spring from underneath. Hold the spring. Take that out and slide it down. And slide it out. Slide this in the same way it came out. Then hold it up. Get one of the bolts. Make sure you have one of the bolts close by and get it started. Once it's started, you can kind of let go of the spring a little bit. I'll get the other two bolts started. And I'm just going to leave this loose. I don't want to tighten it up too much. We'll tighten it up at the end. We'll torque them at the end. All right, so that's loose. We'll leave it that loose. About a 1/2 inch of thread. Now I can take the bungee cord off. Line the knuckle up with the strut. Take the bolts. Get the bolts started. Now torque these nuts to 136 foot-pounds. Put this bracket in position and put the bolt in. And tighten that down. Now install the upper link. Put the nut on. We're going to use a 18mm wrench on the back side. Tighten this down. And torque this to 65 foot-pounds. Now tighten these bolts down. Torque these down to 18 foot-pounds. Now reinstall this cover. Lock it down in place. Slide the weather stripping position. Put that push pin back. You're all set. Put the wheel on. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Go around again, double check. Keep in mind, after you do this repair, you want to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have it aligned so that you don't have premature tire wear.